Hello, my name is Sam Jarvis. Today we'll be discussing how to properly use and maintain your IPEX installation pole. Understanding how to safely use and maintain your IPEX installation pole will ensure proper protection and will extend the life of your equipment. The installation pole is a 3-section inverted pole equipped with a unique locking head for safe installation of the Diamond Shield EX. It is made of anodized aluminum, equipped with ergonomic full padding for grip and rotating support pad on the bottom of the pole. The installation pole head's assembly includes a top bracket, swivel pin, and identification label. The sides of the top bracket are aligned with the head's fastening screws positioned in the unlocked position. The body of the installation pole is divided into 3 sections that are held in place by locking clamps. Before attempting to install an engine shield, practice locking and unlocking the pole. When the top bracket is in line with the swivel pin, the pole is unlocked. The body of the pole features an ergonomic hand grip. The body includes multiple sections joined by locking clamps. Each of these sections can be expanded and locked in place, increasing the reach of the pole. The pole collapses for easy storage, maximizing space in the aircraft or in your facility. The bottom of the pole features a rotating foot. This allows the pole to rest on the ground during installation of an engine shield. On certain models, the foot can also be extended to ensure proper shield installation. Now that you understand the functions of the pole, I'll demonstrate how to install a Diamond engine shield. First, insert the pole head into the Diamond engine shield's mouth. Apply pressure to compress internal spring, unlocking the pole. While compressing the spring, rotate the pole clockwise 90 degrees until the locking pin engages. Check the connection by lifting the shield to make sure the pole is fully engaged. Rotate the IPEX installation pole 5 rotations to prepare the shield to be inserted into the engine. Lift the engine shield and position it in the engine nacelle. Continue to rotate the pole clockwise until rotation stops, approximately 7.5 full rotations. The shield is now installed in your engine. Refer to your Diamond Engine Shield EX instruction video to learn more about installation and removal of the shield. Clean any dirt or debris off of your Executive Series GSE product with warm water and mild soap using a microfiber cloth. Store your Executive Series GSE products in the optional storage bag or in a dry and safe location. Sesame Technologies is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us a part of your safety program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Incorporated Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.